So continue with Kitzur. So we continue with the Siman 10, which is laws of Tefillin, and we're in the C of number 14. Okay. So it says one should take care that the black side of Tefillin strap should face outward. That's it's very important. So today some people make like a double side, the double side in black. Okay, just in case. So which is it's not necessary. It's like a little improvement, I guess. Okay, so commentary. When putting on shell yad, one should look at the strap. When he put in when putting shell yad, meaning on the hand, one should look at the strap, and when putting on a shell rosh, one should feel with the fingers around the head to assert that there is no there are no twisted. They are not twisted around, and the blackened side is not facing to the skin or the scalp, which not be wrong. So basically, I'm not sure. Maybe in the olden days they had that a little bigger hole in what is it in this shell rosh, so it could twist around. But today, I mean, the way I see it, it would be very it's very hard to twist it around the way I see it today. But I mean, of course, it's possible. But he would feel the way I understand. He would feel right away, unless he has this very long hair and he does not feel at all. Okay, that's problem. This precaution is necessary only for the parts of the strap that are essential for the mitzvah. The straps around the head and the first strand fastening shell yad to the arm. Okay, so that's it. Only this that it goes around the head, and the first when you do the first thing on your arm. Okay. Although the rest of the straps, the revelations around the arm and the finger, and the strap hanging down from the nut, right, on the shell rosh. So all these two straps, right, are not included in the halacha. It is preferable that to have black side of the straps facing outwards, as it enhances the beauty of the mitzvah. So basically, okay, so it's also some Mishnah Berurah. Okay, so basically it's proper that like the black side would be outside. Okay. Okay, interesting. All right, so continue. So I think, like from my experience, the only problem that I saw that this one from shell rosh, they twist sometime. But if you check from time to time, so if you don't move too much, so they're not going to twist. So that's the only issue that I saw. Okay, continue. In case it happens that the strap around the person's head or arm twisted around, so that the white side is facing outwards, it is proper to fast or redeem the fast with charity. So that's many people know that about white, but not all of them know that it's only it's only referring to the part that goes around the head and this small part around the arm. It's not this part. So these parts, hanging from the head, it's preferable to have them on the black. But if not, you don't have to fast and you don't have to give charity. Okay. Likewise, if one tefillin fell on the floor, and when they are out of their protective cases, that is their boxes, one should also fast. So, but if they're in the boxes, it's like they're covered. Right? However, if they fell while they are in their protective cases, right here, he does not have to fast, but should give something to charity. That happened to me, a few times in my life. Two times, basically. 2 times it happened. It fell into, I don't know what happened, but it was in a box and it was closed. It did not open.
Wait, I have a question. What if, the protective covering on the arm tefillin? What if only that part falls? Do you pay anything? Do you give?
No.
No, gotcha.
It's like a box. There is no problem. I mean, this bug. So okay, well, let's say so. Okay. So let's qualify it. On one hand, it is a box, but on another hand, you cannot throw it to the garbage.
Mm-hmm.
So this you have to bury like you buried like a text.
Yeah.
Because it was close to the Mitzvah. Yeah.
But if the straps, like I understand it's film, but the straps, if they like, let's say, touch the ground, what about them? Do you still?
No, there is no problem.
Got it.
They did not fail. I mean, it's happened like some people. I don't know. They think the longer the better. They get in the very long straps, and when they sit down and they bend a little to like forward, so the straps are touching the ground. You're right, 100%. So me personally, I always worry. So I put them on my knees just to make sure. They're not going to touch it. I don't have that long, but just in case, I always worry. Good question.